more than one thing. So, all right, let's close this discussion for now because we have a lot of different things we can talk about. Thank you everybody for participating in that discussion, and I want to point out one thing that you all did really, really well. You notice people disagreed with each other very kindly, right? I didn't hear anyone say like you're wrong or you're bad or like or accusing specific people.
No, that's not a good idea.
And each person will be responsible for one ingredient, okay?
People won't always like the tactic that you do, but if you can make them sympathize with the issue but not the tactic, you can still pull them over to your side. And sometimes the act of doing a controversial tactic in itself makes people like, oh, I agree with their point, but not the way they did it. And that's actually sometimes effective because it seems that they agree with your point and they wouldn't have thought about it otherwise. So some ways that we did.
Thea. Yeah. Can you tell me again what you're making?
I'm saying.
Now touch the floor, put the left knee on the floor and get up. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Left leg forward, stretch. Bend your elbow. Elbow bend. Right forward and touch the floor. Touch the heart. Wrist, ribs, head, hold your hand. Now sit down with your left knee on the floor. Touch the knee. Touch the shoulder. Look up. Touch the Mother Earth. From your heart to the head. Hold your hand. Back to the earth. Back to yourself. Now
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tarikandararo, Tarikandero, Tarikandararo, Tarikandero, Tarikandararo.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, line. Back, back, back. And boom. Left leg forward, stretch. Bend your elbow. Right leg forward and touch the floor. Touch the heart. Wrist, ribs, kai koopitoldu. Now sit down with your left knee on the floor. Muttu thottu, touch the knee. Muippu thottu, shoulder. Lift your hands up. Touch the floor. Touch the heart. Head and looking up. Back to the floor. Back to yourself. Now sit down and ready for a roll. Now hit each other. Ready, go. 1. I told you to move away. And ready, go. 2. Continue. 3. One more. Last one. 4. And move this group sideways. Sideways.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Din. Tataka din. Din. Tataka din. Tataka din. Din. Tataka din. Tataka din. Din. Tataka din. Tataka din. Make big movements. Din. Tataka din. Go other side. Din. Din. Make it bigger. Make bigger. Elephant. 4. 2. 3. Continue. Ready? 3, 4, 1. Growing up. Change. 1. Now move slowly.
5, 6,
Slow,
7, go. 1,
2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We will fix the next movements for them later.
Yeah, we got so much stuff stuck in that tree last night.
Balls, bats, Talia.
Did we
All
find any
stuck.
bags in the tree?
What are you talking about? Bags are already growing on the trees.
And what makes this Outball game so interesting?
Well, it's highly cooperative, at least within your team. A lot of the more athletic kids realize that if they pass to their teammates and give everyone a chance to throw, then they will actually maximize their own participation. And then
So the idea was that this was this big American corporation who would follow these great standards, and they would help the farmers, and they would help making more food, which will really help the people. So in 1984, this was on the night of the 2nd December, they were making a chemical called temic, which is a pesticide. But in order to make this chemical, they were using something called methyl isocyanate. They have this history, and all of them got popular during the Second World War because the US government needed these companies to make stuff like napalm for people when they were bombing Vietnam, Agent Orange, all that. So here in India, they were cutting costs, they were cutting safety, they had shut down the refrigeration system, and also on that night none of their siren systems were working. So even if their safety alarm bells would be working, they could have told people, don't run, just cover yourself with as many thick blankets as you can and apply water to yourself, because just by running they were inhaling. The faster they were running, faster they were dying.
Then what happened when they cut the trees?
Then they couldn't grow any more plants in the winter. I also learned some new moves.
You learned some new what?
Moves.
You learned some new moves. Who else learned some new moves? All right.
So I really like this conference. I made some new friends and overall it was pretty good.
Yeah.
I like this conference. I like the Asian kid thing. Really enjoyed the conference. I enjoyed the lawmaking and the play and a lot of other things too. And then I also had fun at the part where everything got stuck in the tree. That was like really funny. And yeah, I made some really good friends. I like this conference, especially the baking.
I liked seeing my old friends, making new friends. I liked the pottery. I liked the sunrise talk and talking to the speaker. I'm really glad we managed to pull together Aiden kids. It was great. And I like how enthusiastically people participated in the lectures.
I liked the conference overall. It was a lot of fun. I liked seeing everybody I met last year and some new people as well. And yeah, I enjoyed the law workshop, pottery, and a bunch of other things that we did.
Well, I loved seeing all of you grow up, and it makes me emotional.
That's 100% true for all of us. I thought you were going to say is that you loved seeing all of them perform that amazing theatrical music and dance extravaganza yesterday. And I think that it just shows how much we can express when we have these kind of creative tools and avenues to do so. And I saw some of that coming through even when we were doing the law, even when we were painting messages on t-shirts, in so many other ways. So I really value this every year, and I'm so glad all of you.
Actual conference. My parents have been involved with it in the past, but not really. I wasn't really directly involved with it, so I was really excited, and I loved the workshops. They really stimulated everyone's brains and made everybody think about a lot of like new ideas, new solutions, and things like that. And like they were also really fun, and I got to make new friends.
I like seeing t-shirts and Asian kids, and I like seeing all of my friends, and I also wish that
I liked painting t-shirts and playing with the babies, even though they didn't like me.
I like it because I get to play on the structures, and I get out.
Thank you. Anyone want a second round? You can. Why don't you just pass the glass? If you don't have anything to say, just keep passing. Anyone who wants to add anything can do so now.
I like the bright
You enjoyed the theater.
You know who made it?
I liked the theater workshop.
Yeah, I like seeing adults get older.
Oh man, that's
You like the theater?
Yeah, sorry for getting emotional, that's me. But I just love that you guys have friendships year over year as your babies and you grow, and even though you don't connect, all through the year, you come back here and you just connect again, and I just love that.
I really like meeting all of you guys. I'm so sad I'm only going to meet this year, but it's also like bittersweet though, because we have a lot of new stories to share next year, so I'm excited.
And every one of you has to come back next year wherever we are, so tell your parents now, okay?
Memorial Day weekend booked.
So you're saying something?
If you, Kathy wanted to say anything.
I don't know. I liked everything. This conference was great. Our hike this morning was awesome.
All right.
I like the Oh yeah.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Welcome to the 8 Peace Justice Youth Parody Conference. So, first, I'm pretty sure, guys, first we have theater. Okay, let's do it. I very much hope baking is fun. Let's see if it is. Okay, so everyone, we can have one ingredient only, and someone to grease the pans and be in charge of the pans. And then probably there's only going to be like 4 kids left, but I don't care. Ooh, these cupcakes are amazing! Nom 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 nom! Nom 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 nom! Nom 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 nom! So next, I'm pretty sure we have law. Okay, so this conference so far was pretty good, right? But was it great or really good? Is the question. Everybody say I for if you think that it's great. I. Oi. I. The ayes have it. This conference passes. Okay, so, day 2. I can't believe this seed has already sprouted. And it's so strong. I wonder if it has any bags in it. But I don't think bags grow on trees. Meh, I don't care. Okay, so this is a lemon cucumber. Why is it leaning? I don't know. Now, pottery. So, I made this amazing piece. And it was made with my bare own hands, and it was very fun. Okay, that's pottery. And now, for the last thing, Outball. Okay, so you can catch it. Okay, now it's my turn to catch. I caught it. I'm out. Bye-bye.